Hi, love. Welcome to Sacred. Take a moment with me. This is a small spoken practice called open listening. All you need today are your ears. In a moment, you'll hear a bell. When it rings, just listen to the sound from the very beginning all the way until it fades. That's the whole practice. I'll ring the bell once to start. We'll sit together in the quiet. Then you'll hear the bell again to close. You don't have to change your breath. You don't have to fix your thoughts. Just let the bell sound come and go. You listen from start to finish. Your open listening is done. Thank you so much for being here in Sacred. I'm very grateful that we shared this moment.